Freelancing is often painted as the ultimate dream. Work from anywhere, set your own hours, pick your clients, and maybe even earn more than you did at your old 9-to-5 job. Social media platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn love to showcase this glamorous side. But the truth is, freelancing success looks very different behind the scenes. In this video, we are breaking down 7 realities of freelancing that no one tells you up front. These are the lessons that separate long-term successful freelancers from those who burn out, quit, or quietly return to office jobs. Stick with me because by the end, you will not only understand the real freelancing game, but you will also have a roadmap to play it like a pro. Let us start with the biggest shocker. Freelancing income is not stable. You will have months when work floods in and months when it dries up completely. This feast-or-famine cycle is where most freelancers quit. They mistake a slow month for failure, when really, it is just the nature of the business. The secret is preparation. Smart freelancers create a buffer account, setting aside 3 to 6 months of living expenses during the feast months. That way, when famine hits, they are calm, strategic, and focused on marketing, not panicking. Freelancing success is about managing the ups and downs like a CEO, not an employee. Most people start freelancing to escape their boss. But here is the reality. You are not escaping bosses, you are multiplying them. Every client becomes your boss in some way. They set deadlines, review your work, demand revisions, and sometimes even ghost you before payment. That does not mean freelancing is not worth it. It means you need to learn client management. The pros set boundaries, write clear contracts, charge late fees, and schedule communication. In a job, you have one boss. In freelancing, you might have 5 at once. The skill is learning to juggle them without letting them run your life. You can be the best writer, designer, developer, or editor and still fail as a freelancer. Because freelancing is not just about delivering work. It is about selling yourself. You need marketing skills to get noticed, sales skills to land contracts, and negotiation skills to raise your rates. Most schools and courses do not teach this. They train you to be good at your craft, but freelancing is running a business. Every business requires sales. So if you want freelancing success, do not just sharpen your craft. Sharpen your ability to pitch, persuade, and close deals. One of the biggest perks of freelancing is freedom. No time clock, no dress code, no office politics. But here is the trap. Freedom without discipline becomes chaos. When you do not manage yourself, you sleep in, binge Netflix, miss deadlines, and eventually lose clients. Many freelancers quietly return to 9-to-5 jobs not because they were not talented, but because they could not manage themselves. Successful freelancers act like their own manager. They set schedules, create routines, and plan deep work time and downtime. Freedom works only when paired with discipline. Here is a hidden truth. The top freelancers are not the hardest workers, they are the most systemized. They use proposal templates instead of writing from scratch, automate invoices, use customer relationship management tools to track leads, and build workflows that save time and mental energy. If it takes you 2 hours to draft a proposal and another 2 to send invoices each week, that is valuable time lost. With systems, you reduce admin and spend more time on high-value work. Systems turn freelancing from hustle and grind into a business that scales. In freelancing, your reputation is everything. Each project is more than just a paycheck, it is a chance to build or damage your brand. Deliver late and word spreads. Ghost a client and word spreads even faster. But deliver excellent work on time with good communication, and that reputation snowballs into referrals, testimonials, and repeat business. Your name is your brand. Protect it fiercely. The freelancers who thrive long-term are the ones who treat every client like their most important one, because reputation is the currency of freelancing. Here is something freelancers rarely talk about. Your fellow freelancers are not your enemies. They are your allies. Yes, there is competition, but there is also collaboration. Successful freelancers build networks with other freelancers, share referrals when they are booked, partner on larger projects, and swap tips and tools. Isolation is a freelancing killer. Community is a freelancing multiplier. Your network will not only bring you more opportunities, It will also give you support on the tough days. So let us recap. Income will rise and fall, so manage it. Clients are still bosses, so set boundaries. Skills alone will not cut it, so master sales and marketing. Freedom requires discipline. Systems turn chaos into business. Reputation is your true currency. Community matters more than competition. Here is my challenge for you. Pick just one of these truths and apply it this week. The real success comes from stacking these habits over time. Do that, and freelancing will become a career that gives you both freedom and stability. Thank you for watching.